Let's rewind the clock, not by decades, not by centuries, but by a mind-blowing 200 million years. At that time, there was only one supercontinent, Pangaea, all the land we know today, Asia, Africa, Europe, the Americas, even Antarctica, was joined together. It was a world of dinosaurs and endless forests. And deep inside this supercontinent was a piece of land that would one day become India. It wasn't called India then, but geologists refer to it as the. Around 180 million years ago, Pangaea began to break apart. Massive cracks formed beneath the surface, and continents began to drift. The Indian plate broke off from Africa and Madagascar and started its incredible journey northward. Just imagine an entire subcontinent sailing through the ocean at a speed faster than any tectonic plate in history, 15 to 20 centimeters per year for millions of years. The Indian plate floated alone in the ancient sea known as the Tethys Ocean. So, if you are thinking topically, the plate just disappears. And as we project radiation fast forward to 50 million years ago, India was heading straight toward a massive wall, the Eurasian plate, the landmass of modern day Asia. Then came one of the most powerful geological collisions in Earth's history. When India slammed into Asia, it didn't stop. Well, the force of that impact was so huge that the land began to buckle, fold, and rise. And over millions of years, those folds became the Himalayas, home to the tallest mountains on Earth. And they're still growing today. Once India settled into its place, rivers began to flow, the climate shifted, and life flourished. The Ganges River started carving its path, forests grew, and animals evolved unique to this land. From tigers to elephants, India became one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. But the journey didn't stop there. As the land matured, humans arrived. The first great civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, rose up around 5,000 years ago, with cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro. They built homes, drained sewage, traded goods. India's history as a nation may be thousands of years old, but the land itself carries a legacy of 200 million years. So the next time you look at a mountain or walk on Indian soil, remember, this land has traveled across oceans, crashed into continents, and created mountains that touch the sky. India is more than a country. It is a geological legend, forged by time, fire, water, and unstoppable motion.